Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or download the PayPal application from the Google Play Store or the App Store. But now guys, the second thing that you need to do of course is go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help. We have send and request and a lot of other options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a refund on PayPal. So you can do it by contacting the seller and asking them for the issue of a refund. You can find their contact details on the transaction details page or your summary page, which you can find on the activity, which is the fourth tab here. If the seller agrees, they can go through the transaction details page and click issue a refund. They can enter the amount and confirm the refund. You can also issue a refund yourself if you are the sender of the payment. So basically you can do that for another person. You can go to your activity page and select the payment you want to refund, then click issue and refund and enter the, of course, amount. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.